standard of this unit, EE4, we're going to learn how to do two-step equations, but with inequalities. Okay, remember, inequality is a mathematical statement that two values are not equal. And so you will have less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or not equal to at all. Okay, we're also going to get back into graphing. Okay, so quick rule when graphing: if it's greater than or less than, the circle is open, just like here. Okay, so that's x is less than -4. And this is x is greater than -4. The circle is open and it's going to the right. And then if it is closed, it is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. And remember, that's if the circle is closed. Okay, now imagine that inequality symbol is an equal sign, so don't let that freak you out. Treat it just like a two-step equation problem. Okay, so 2x minus 7 is less than 11. Okay, so just like a two-step equation, my first step is to get rid of the adding and subtracting signs. Okay, so it's minus 7, so the inverse operation is add 7. Add 7 to both sides. I am not going to touch that inequality symbol. Okay, it stays the same. 2x is less than 18. Okay, now I've got 2x is less than 18. Follow the two-step equations. Okay, just like the rules for two-step equations. First thing I'm going to do is divide 2 to both sides. Still not touch the inequality symbol. That does not change. X is less than 9. Okay, so as of right now, nothing has changed. Nothing has really changed from what we've been doing with two-step equations. Okay, when the inequality symbol changes, that's when we're dealing with negatives and positives, and I'm about to get into that. Let's get into this. Negative 4p plus 6 is greater than negative 10. Okay, so my first step is subtract 6. Okay, negative 10 minus 6 gives me negative 16. Now, the sign does not change ever with adding or subtracting. It can only change when you are multiplying or dividing with negatives. Okay? Now, I divide negative 4 to both sides. And negative 16 divided by negative 4 becomes positive 4. And that makes the inequality flip. The inequality symbol only flips if the sign changes from positive to negative or negative to positive using multiplication or division. Let me do another one of those. Okay? Negative 2x minus 2 equals, less than negative 12. Okay? First step, add 2 to both sides. Negative 2x less than negative 10. Okay? I'm going to divide negative 2 to both sides. X is greater than positive 5 because the 5 changed into a positive. Okay? And the same thing works like this. I'm going to do a one-step equation. If I had negative 2x is less than positive 10, okay, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, that inequality symbol flips because it changes the value of that integer.